Hello children, welcome again to today's session. Today we'll further continue with the topic active and passive voice. In the last session I had discussed how the sentences are changed from active into passive in present tense. We will further continue with the same thing, and today I'll be explaining how the sentences are changed from active into passive in the past tense. So let's move further and start our session. Children, in the past indefinite tense, or you could even call past simple past tense, the format for the active sentence will be subject plus second form of the verb plus object. But when it is changed into passive voice, then it becomes subject plus was or were plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. Again I repeat children, as I have explained earlier also, the subject becomes the object becomes the subject. Was is used with I, he, she, it and with singular noun, and were is used with we, you, they and with plural noun. Children, again there are three types of sentences which are changed from active into passive voice. Firstly it is assertive, then negative, then interrogative. This format is for the assertive. But if we change a negative sentence, then just not it added. Was or were not. Interrogative again, same way, was, were plus subject plus third form of the verb plus by plus object, which could be further explained with the help of these examples. Let's say, take one first example. He helped me in need. Subject, second form of the verb, and then the object, me. If we change the first sentence into passive voice, I, me will change into I, change of the pronoun. I was or were, was helped in need by him. This is assertive. But if suppose the sentence is negative sense, then we did not sing songs. Here, the passive of the sentence will be songs were not sung by us. Were, helping verb plus not. And third form of the verb, sing changes into sung. By us, we changes into us. Similarly, the sentence is of interrogative form. Where did you find this pen? Where, again, helping verb was, then the subject, this pen, which is the object in active voice, becomes the subject. This pen found. Yes, the main verb found, then by you. Where was this pen found by you? So let's take if the sentence starts with did. Did you take breakfast? Now, how to change this sentence? Instead of did, we actually use what? The helping verb was here, were. Was breakfast taken by you? Other things remain the same. Only the helping verb is added at the beginning before the subject. So let's continue with this. Next is past continuous tense. The active form will be subject plus was or were plus verb in ing form plus object. When it is changed into passive voice, it becomes subject plus was or were plus being plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. So it is a very easy point to keep in mind that when ing form or when we are talking about continuous form, whether it is present continuous, past continuous, or you could call it the other continuous also, though we don't have future continuous or future perfect continuous, but when we talk of present continuous or past continuous form, then simply we add being. Other things differ. Being is added whether it is present or past. So let's see these examples. He was eating food. Now subject, helping verb plus ing form of the verb plus the object. Now if we change this into passive voice, food was being eaten by him. This is the sentence in assertive form. If the sentence is in negative, let's see this example. They were not helping laughing at the beggar. The beggar was not being laughed at by them. Third sentence is interrogative. Who was knocking at the door? Now, who changes into by whom? By whom was the door being knocked at? Because at is a preposition which is being used in the main active voice sentence. Who was knocking at? So we will add at. By whom was the door being knocked at? The next is past perfect tense. In the past perfect tense, active voice sentence will be subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. Change into passive voice is becomes subject plus had been plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. Here again, I would like to remind you, like we added been in the present perfect tense, similarly been will be added in the past perfect tense also. It remains the same. Let's see the examples. Farmers had reaped the crops. The crops had been reaped by the farmers. We had not taught you. You had not been taught by us. How had they solved this problem? How had this problem been solved by them? Children, I hope the past becomes more easier once we understand the present forms. Then lastly is the past perfect continuous tense. Again, this tense has no passive voice. Children, I'll be giving an exercise based on the past tense which you need to do in your notebooks. So please note down these questions in the notebook and solve them. So children, we'll continue with the next part in the next session. For today, bye and thank you.